Hey, it's Jared again, still working on the squat rack. I forgot in that last video, I want to just show you kind of the itemized stuff that I've purchased already. I'm already in this for about 150 bucks. So let me just show you that real quick, and hopefully that'll help you if you want to do something similar. Okay, so the wood, I'll just tell you, I got two 8-foot 4x4s. And again, I told you I had Home Depot cut them to 7. These are 7-footers that are going this way. I got two 8-footers and a 10-footer. Because I had them cut the 10-footer at 7 foot, and then with that leftover 3 feet, I had them cut one of these pieces, and those are 27 inches long. And then I still got two 8-footers because the other one is there, and they cut a foot off it, made it a 7-footer. And then with the other 8-footer, I had them cut those other 3. I don't know what to call that. The piece that when it's on the wall will be horizontal. These will be vertical. Okay, so basically a total of 3 4x4s. One of them was 10 foot. And then I got one, I believe this was a 14-foot, maybe it was 16 foot. I think it was a 16-foot 2x8. And I've got a little left over here. Here's all my scrap. That plus that little piece right there. So anyways, yeah. So that was one long 2x8, and they cut those in 7 feet. I think those were 7 feet 2 inch. And I didn't need them that long, but I made them that long because I might want to put little something to hang something by, but I needed them basically at least about 52 inches just to get there to there, which are 48 inches apart, and then a little extra for the width of the wood. But I just went ahead and made it 7 foot, so that way when this folds down, it'll fold down and it'll come to rest over here. And then if I want to put any screws to hang anything, I can. Okay, so that's the wood, and that total, let's see, that total is right here, 60, we'll just call it 67 bucks just for the wood. And then this is just for the hardware. So that's a lot more. So these boxes of screws are like 17 bucks, and I don't know, that one's like 13. And those hinges are about 5 bucks each, and I got 4 of them. And I got all these various bolts. I'm gonna put the hinge, I just got one bolt for each hinge, one long bolt, because I'll be able to find a stud with one of those holes right there in my wall. So it's got to go through the 2x8 and then through the drywall and then into the stud. So I think those are 5 inches. Then the rest of them will be attached with that because it'll just go into the ledger, and then they'll all match. They'll all be hex head. Okay, and then I got these long ones, which are gonna go like that. And then I got these, which will help me make the J hooks to hold my bar when I get it in place. I had to get this bit here because these SPACs require a special driver bit that I don't have. That was a couple bucks or $2.50 or something. But I had all that hardware up, and it was 73 bucks, I think. And then this was a different trip for this, and this hardware for this, and it was about 11 something. Yeah, 11.16 altogether. And then I ordered some stuff on Amazon for about another 20. I ordered a little jig, which is just a little device to help you use the tool in a specific way. A little jig that I can use with my drill to drill straight down. So, obviously you can try to drill straight down by hand, but I don't have a drill press and I don't have anything else like that. I found this jig for like 8 bucks on Amazon. I think they carry it at the store too, but I was ordering the casters on Amazon too, the wheels that go on the bottom. So I think of those two things, it was like 8 bucks and 13 bucks, something like that. 13 for the casters. I only need 2, but you get a 4-pack. So anyways, I'm in this for about, I guess that's 170 bucks altogether. And I'll probably get some more things before it's through. Not to mention the weight set I just bought for $350. They're on sale right now at Dick's if you want that. Dick's Sporting Good. It's a 245s, 235s, 225s, 210s, and 4 5s, I think, and 2 2.5s, and then the bar's over there in that cardboard tube. Okay, so I guess I'm in this for about 500 bucks already. Merry Christmas. It is December of 2021, so this will be my Christmas present. Okay, that's it for that. Just a review of all the costs so far. The first thing I'm going to do, I think I'm going to actually sand this stuff and paint it before I get it up on the wall. It's just easier to do it then. I would like it, you know, not to be all splintery, so I'll sand it and then I'll paint it just to, what the heck. I think I'm just going to use some extra paint we have. So it'll probably be a weird off tan color or something from our interior of our house. Not real special or anything, just some leftover paint. Okay, now I will wrap this video up and show you something next time when I sand. Okay, that's it. Again, all that YouTube stuff, like and subscribe. Thank you.